Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today over here I have a Concorde, actually a die-cast model Concorde from Postage Stamp Darren. And today I'm going to unbox it. So hope you enjoy it. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video if you like it. So let's just get right into it. So over here, let's look at the box first. The box is actually pretty nice. It's like a postage stamp box over here. In the back we have a few pictures of the actual plane. Here we have the landing picture, and it's a blueprint designs, and we have the actual plane itself. On the front we have the plane and the stands and all. And on the back there's just a picture of the plane over there. And yeah, so that's the box. So we can actually go ahead and open the box. There's actually a tape over here, which is a nice effect I don't really see on the other planes. So we can put that down and we can go ahead and open this somehow. Okay, yeah, here we go. Alright, that's open. And we can just go ahead and take them all right out. And here we have the actual plastic covering of the model, and we can just take that covering off. Okay, the covering's off, and here's the actual model, the Concorde. Beautiful plane. Okay, so I'm gonna actually put this down right here. Let's actually bring the camera over here. So over here, just take it out like that. That must have hurt. Okay, so here we have the plane, and it's basically like that. It's a 1/400, I think, and it looks beautiful. It has all the details. Let's actually set it right there. All the details. It has like the aerodynamic features. The wheels are pretty spot on. It also has that curved shape of the delta wing. So like that, it actually was an aerodynamic effect on the plane. And we have the 4 powerful Rolls-Royce engines right over there. And this is the normal tail. And let's look at the landing gear. Yeah, it's actually very nice, pretty detailed. And this is like a metal die-cast model, so it's actually pretty good. So you can see over here, so you cannot see that. It's very nice. And here we have the nose, the snoop droop.
Pilots couldn't see out of the plane because of angled landing. Engineers put together a solution.
The Concorde featured a droop snoot.
Droop snoot?
Yeah, the snoot would droop.
The snoot drooped.
And yeah, so that's the model. We can go ahead and set this down right here. And in the other box we have the stands. So the stand's not big, but you can get it out. Make it worse. Hard to hold the camera and do it at the same time, actually. Okay, and this has come out. Now we can go ahead and take this one out. It'll be a long process. Just pop that out, take that out. And yeah, so basically here is the stand. It says Concorde right there, and we can just attach that simply. As simple as that. And we can take the Concorde right over here. And actually, fun fact about this Concorde, the registration GBOAD is the same one that flew across the Atlantic Ocean and broke the record. So we can actually mount the airplane on the stand, so we can just turn that over. Oh, it's not coming in. Over here, we can just. If I do it in there, it's gonna be stuck in there forever. Okay. So, oh, come on. After a long process of actually putting the model on the stand, I could finally get it on. And now it's actually a pretty good model, and it's actually really nice, really detailed, and I actually really like it. So thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, you can go ahead and subscribe and like this video, and I will see you next time. Good night.